Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and let me show you how to set the camera timer on the following device. So all you have to do is to open the camera, and now as you can see there is no timer here, so the phone is taking photos right away after clicking the shutting button. If you want to set the camera timer, simply click on the settings. They should be in right upper corner, and here we've got the timer options. Now it is off, but you can choose from 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So let me pick, for example, 5 seconds. And from now on, as you can see, your device will counting down from 5 and then it will take a photo. If you want to turn it off, simply do the same. So click the settings and turn off the camera timer. So the phone will take photos right away. So that's all. This is how you set the camera timer in Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.